Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A11 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer here that phone used is not actually A11. However, for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used. Okay, so don't worry about it, and let's learn how you can go for it. Okay, first go to the phone and make sure that you are connecting to a common Wi-Fi. Okay, so here I have connected this phone to Durai 5G Wi-Fi, and the same Durai 5G Wi-Fi should be connected to TV too. Okay, so go to your TV now. Go to your TV and select the settings of your TV there, and go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and see the available Wi-Fi. You should select Durai 5G if you have multiple email ID around you. Okay, so my phone and TV is common connection with Wi-Fi called Durai 5G. You can also create mobile hotspot from your phone and connect it to the TV. That will also work. Okay, now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. Search Google Home and install this Google Home app. Just click on install and wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it is being installed. Yes, it is completed, and click on open now, and just follow the on-screen instructions and click on get started and click on next and give permission if it is asking. Here you have to select carefully email ID. This is very important step. What email ID you have logged in with your TV, that email ID should be selected here. That is, your phone and your TV should use the same email ID for screen mirroring. Okay, and select it and click on next, give permission and click on next, give permission and skip this step because it is not needed, and click on devices and you will see TV device here. Just wait few seconds for appearing. Yes, it is appeared here. Just click on it and click on cast to my screen and click on cast the screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. So what you exactly see in your phone, that will also be seen in your TV. See, if you would like to control volume, here you can control. Just you can control volume here. Okay, from Google Home app you can control. Otherwise, if you exit the screen, you can use your TV remote to control volume. Okay, see, this is TV remote. If you press plus symbol, volume will be increasing. If you press minus symbol, volume will be decreasing. Okay, then go for any screen in your phone. So here I go to Snapchat. That is also seen in my TV. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone to any Android TV. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.